Good evening, everybody. Here I am trying to explain how can we make a Google form questionnaire where the student can upload their answers in their handwriting format and the teachers can do correction of that type of questions and how the marks given to the Google Forms can be taken into the Google Sheet. So let us start. First of all, we'll open that Google Chrome and there we'll type Google Form. So as we'll type here Google Form, the Google Form will open that website open. So we'll click this website docsgoogle.com docs.google.com and now it will open. So first of all, as we give the title of this form, so we'll write name of this title, whatever monthly test or class test, whichever kind of test we are taking. Afterward we can write here class, section, date, time and the maximum marks. And after writing this title, as soon as we'll click this untitled form, so this name will be automatically changed. Now if we'll click this option, so here we get that multiple choice question or whichever kind of question. So as we'll click here, so you'll get this drop down box and here file upload option will get, and we have to choose this one to get the handwritten answers uploaded to the Google form, and continue will click, and after continuing that this option will come allow only a specific type of file, so we'll click here and we'll check this PDF and we'll check this here, click here to get the to give marks to this kind of question, how many marks will be there. So suppose this is a descriptive answer, so I am writing here 3 marks. Now let us see how the student will upload their answers. So a student will click that Google form link. So it is taking time due to the network speed. So the form is now opening. So as we write, means the student have to write the name, the student's name, roll number, section. Here section drop down option we have to give so that the student can choose. And now the correct answer means MCQ question answer, student will choose the correct option or whichever option the student think it is correct. And now here see how the student can upload, means student will click to this add file and select from your device now document. So as a student has already saved this PDF file in the mobile phone, so I will tell how the student can upload the, means save the answer in PDF file. Now the upload option we have to click here. Now it is uploading. Another, this, suppose this is the PDF file. Here the student will upload it, and likewise all other questions answer student have to upload. Here I am uploading the same question, the same answer for the different question, and we'll see how the different other questions answer same. That will be wrong, but just for ease of me I have uploaded the same. Again document, and from the file option, student have to click this side, and now this PDF file, click and upload. So in these different number of processes, you may have understood how the student will upload. Again document, from this part, then the PDF file, then upload. Student have to save the PDF file prior to upload. Again document, this side, this PDF file upload option, and now at last the student will submit the answer. Now the notification will come, the response has been recorded. And now how the teachers can do correction of such files, we'll see here in this recent file I'm opening. So responses we have to see. We have to click this responses. Now see summary is coming, but we have to check an individual. And third, I was third to upload this. So see here the correct answers. Here answer is not showing. And see here in this question I have not given answer, means marks also, but later on I have given to marks here. Now the PDF is opening by clicking that PDF file, and now see by clicking that pen option, means then Adobe will be open. Adobe Acrobat Reader we have to use, and comment option we have to click comment, and now pen option, color we can change as per our ease. And here see the correction can be done, underline whichever we want, and marks can be written. And afterward we have to click here or here, any one of this we will click, it will be saved automatically, document saved. Just we have to press the back button. And now marks also here given. Similarly marks will be given for all these, and by clicking that PDF option we will open that file, and we can do the correction by pressing here. PDF will open, again the comment, then pen option, then we can do correction or cross see as the same answer I gave for the different question, 0 marks here. And again clicking any of these two, and the PDF is saved. Now just back button is required, and likewise I will do all these, and 0 marks is given to that. So marks for all the questions is being given. Now save option. After saving you can see 4 marks out of 14 points. So 4 marks is given, and now Google Sheet I am trying to take it here. and third question is not uploaded. Now see, the third question also has means third option means third person whoever gave the answer, see 4 out of 14 marks here. And these are the link of that different PDF file. By clicking over this we can open that PDF file also. That individual PDF file can be opened by clicking here. See, the drive option is giving and now opening, and see how it is saved whatever correction we had done. This way correction can be done easily. So thank you for watching the video. Good night all of you.